to today's striking and fielding game, Shooting Stars. In this game, you will need a variety of different sized cones as targets, you will need some cricket stumps, and a variety of different sized balls. Split your class into two teams. Place some targets, various different targets, in between both teams in the safety zone. On the teacher's signal, both teams start underarm bowling at the targets. Each time they hit a target or knock over a target, they get a point for their team. The game should be played continuously until the teacher signals the end of the game. It's also important to make sure that pupils stay behind the throwing line at all times and don't go into the safety zone. The team with the highest points at the end of the round are the winners. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you enjoyed today's game and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.